If you think fried cabbage is boring, this recipe will change your mind. Today, I am making Grandma's Southern Fried Cabbage with smoked sausage and shrimp. Trust me, you will want to make this again and again. Let's start by seasoning the shrimp. Place the raw shrimp in a bowl. Season with Creole seasoning and paprika. You can use more seasonings of choice, but we want to keep it simple, just like Grandma does. Mix until every shrimp is coated. Then set it aside while we prepare the remaining ingredients. Next, we prepare the sausage. Slice the smoked sausage into bite-sized rounds. I am using smoked sausage today, but beef, turkey, or pork sausage all work beautifully in this recipe. Set it aside. Now we prepare the cabbage. Remove any damaged outer leaves. Wash the cabbage thoroughly. I've done that already. Cut it into halves and remove the core. Cut the cabbage into big pieces. Don't chop it too small because cabbage shrinks a lot while cooking. I like to cut my cabbage chunky. Let me know in the comments how you like yours. After preparing our ingredients, then we start cooking. Heat a little oil in a large saucepan or skillet over medium heat. Add some butter for increased flavor. Add the seasoned shrimp in a single layer, ensuring to not overcrowd the pan. Cook for about 1 to 2 minutes on each side until they turn pink. Remember that the shrimp will finish cooking later, so don't overcook it at this time. Now transfer it to a plate. Using the same saucepan, add the sliced sausage. Cook until nicely browned on both sides. This flavorful brown sausage will add incredible depth to the cabbage. Add chopped onion and saute until fragrant, which is about 2 to 3 minutes. Add minced garlic and saute for about 30 seconds. Add a little chicken stock or broth. You can use water too. This is optional, but it adds flavor and helps the cabbage cook. Add the chopped cabbage to the saucepan. Cover it and cook for a few minutes. Now go ahead and season with Creole seasoning and freshly ground pepper. You can add as many different seasonings as you prefer. But like I said, we want to keep it simple, just as Grandma does it. Mix it very well. Cover it and cook for some more minutes until the cabbage becomes tender while still keeping a little texture. If you enjoy softer cabbage, simply cook it a few minutes longer. I like mine crunchy. Return the cooked shrimp to the saucepan. Gently toss everything together until the shrimp and sausage are evenly distributed throughout the cabbage. Finally, drizzle in a splash of apple cider vinegar. This may seem like a small ingredient, but trust me, it brightens the entire dish and balances the richness of the sausage. Go ahead and give everything a final stir. Now look at how delicious this turned out. The cabbage is tender, the sausage is smoky, and the shrimp perfectly juicy. This dish is hearty enough to enjoy on its own, but it's also wonderful served with cornbread, rice, or mashed potatoes. If you enjoyed this recipe, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Cooking with Nkiru for more delicious, easy to follow recipes. I would love to hear from you. Do you make Southern fried cabbage with sausage, bacon, shrimp, or a combination of your favorites? Share your version in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next recipe.